All right guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you guys what these lights look like. Don't pay any attention to the ceiling, as far as the drywall goes. I still gotta get that corrected, and I'm going to do something on the ceiling that I don't really see many people do to a garage at least. So I will be showing you more information out later, or maybe I'll just show you when it's done, but it's gonna be a little while. Quick update, flooring's done. I'll show you guys the lights in a minute. But got the Chamberlain jack shaft garage door opener installed. The center opener is no longer present, but check these lights out. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. 100,000 lumens of LED brightness. Just insane. Yeah, there's some corrosion going on in the hood of the Durango, which is a notorious thing. So I just need to get that resprayed in the roof or just wrap the thing. But let me close the garage door and show you guys more. All right, so like I said, I put the replaced the garage door opener with the jack shaft from Chamberlain, which is powered by MyQ. So pretty quiet, very, very quiet. Locked. The garage door itself has a little bit of noise, but I'm gonna replace the entire door. Gonna insulate it first because that's gonna be a big task. But if you look along the Swiss tracks, you can see right there that it's kind of bowed outwards. So I think maybe someone tapped it trying to reverse their car before we owned this. And yeah, it's kind of dirty. I pressure washed two panels over there, but it made a crazy mess. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna insulate it. But I gotta work on the wiring, just tidy up some things. My dad assisted me by relocating the outlet that is there. That still works, but we actually added, not relocated, we added an outlet for the MyQ that's sitting on top of the Chamberlain, and also the Chamberlain jack shaft. So, but the lights, yeah, let me know what you guys think. I still have to tidy up the ends and tuck the wires, but they're actually hardwired to the switch inside. So yeah, 5 rows, 2 LED sections. They're T8, they're 8-foot bulbs. Amazon actually sent me 2 packages, 2 kits by accident. So this kit is gonna go to my dude down the road that actually got me this house. So we're gonna put that in his garage, I would assume. At least I'm giving it to him, so we'll see if he puts it in that garage or not. This is almost done. Working on finding the Mosmatic wand holder that I'm gonna put on this wall here. I'm gonna remove this mount and put it up here. So I'll have the foam cannon and the wand holder up there. That way it's cleaner on this wall. So I'll just have this section right here, and then foam cannon, wand holder there, and then redo my bucket setup. So I'm gonna be trying out another friend of mine. He has a business called Serene Details. So I'm gonna get some buckets from him and load up, show you guys those as well. But the Z still here, just need to clean it. 2J still in the corner, waiting on parts. But tell me what you guys think about the lights. 5 rows, each bulb or each 8-foot section is 10,000 lumens. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100,000 lumens of pure 5K temperature, Kelvin temperature, that's the color. 5K is daylight. 100,000 lumens, 72 watts each panel or each strip. It's kind of crazy. Very, very bright, but it looks really, really good in here. So now I'll be able to fully detail. And I would love in the future to have this 240 or 220, whatever you want to call it, not an inverter like I have. The inverter is a constant running. It doesn't have auto switch, versus the other does. So this is perfect for now. Puts out decent airflow for the 550 square foot garage, which is about average these days, I guess. But yeah, guys, just want to update you, show you the new lights. Drop down in the comments below what you think. Capped off the original tri-section LED screw-in thing that I got from Home Depot. That was super easy. Next, I'm gonna delete this weighted yarn and put a handle there. So it's coming together, guys, coming together. Drop down in the comments below, hit that like button. See you guys on the next one.